Next topic is cyclone forecasting and warning. The Indian Meteorological Department studies the development and the movement of cyclone, and this is done with the help of INSAT, INSAT satellite, and the chain of cyclone detection radars, okay, CDRS, installed along the coastal belt of the India, and these radar can locate and track on the approaching the cyclone within a range of 400 km. With the help of modern technology, it is possible to issue a cyclone alert 48 hours in advance and cyclone warning 24 hours in advance. Okay, so due to technology, we know before 48 hours about alert of cyclone. Okay, and we get warning 24 hours before cyclone can reach at your place. Okay, so in coastal areas these cyclone detection radars are installed, so because peoples are not damaged, peoples are not get affected by cyclone, and with the help of modern technology it is possible to issue a cyclone alert 48 hours in advance and cyclone warning 24 hours advance. Okay, the messages are transmitted quickly and widely with the help of TV and radios, by which people aware before about it. It is done as a disaster warning system DWS to cover seaports, fishermen, aviation department, etc. So basically this warning system cover seaports, fishermen, and some departments that exist around coastal areas. Okay, the last topic of your textbook is precautions for cyclone prone region. Okay, so this is basically last topic and we need to understand precautions for cyclone prone regions. Let us see. Listen to the TV and the radio weather bulletins regularly. Whenever we touch with social media, when we touch with TV or radio, not for entertainment, for when you see news regularly, daily, then you know what is going on in our country, in the world. Okay, so listen the TV and radio weather bulletin regularly to take precautions when you live in cyclone prone regions. Keep an emergency kit ready at home. Third, store enough food articles in waterproof bags. Fourth, store safe drinking water, as containment water can cause disease. Because if you not store your drinking water, then whatever the water present outside that get affected, that are reach the cause of disease. Keep the phone number of the hospitals, government agencies like police, relative, friends. Okay, because whenever you come in trouble, you just contact with hospital for any health issues, contact with police for any administration issue, for any help. You contact with relatives and friends. As soon as a warning is sounded, secure your home will or move to safer place. I want to repeat, whenever these systems, the government warn you about cyclone, you need to move to safer place. Do not venture into the sea while warning is there. After the cyclone, check gas leakage and dry the electrical applicants. If you don't check your gas leakage or any electrical applicants, if electrical applicants is wet, you know you are getting electric shock. Avoid flood water, be careful of snakes bite. Okay, so these are the precautions. And after this topic, our chapter is finished. This chapter 15, winds, storm and cyclone. I hope you made your notes. If not, please make your notes and read twice chapter 15. Okay, I repeat, whatever the term knowledge and whatever the things we all discuss in this chapter. We started this chapter with natural hazard, which is also known as natural disaster. We also talk about a story of cyclone, what the heat at Andaman and Nicobar, Iceland and Tamil Nadu. We talk about air pressure, high speed causes reduced pressure, air expand on heating, wind currents due to uneven heating between equators and pole, wind current due to uneven heating of land and water, monsoon wind over India, wind blow pattern on the earth because of uneven heating of the earth by the sun, thunderstorm, precautions during a thunderstorm, cyclones, structure of cyclone, tornado, cyclone forecasting and warnings and precautions for cyclone prone region. Okay, so these are the topic we covered in this chapter. Please make your notes of this chapter and remember it carefully. In next lecture we start new chapter.